Hey there, my name is Jeremy with Educational Innovation Incorporated, and this activity is called Seaweed, Caviar, and Instant Worms. It's the third activity in the Slime, Seaweed, and Polymer Blob series of the home subscription kit from Educational Innovation called Home Science Lab. Now, just like with all the other activities with this series, almost everything that you need to do for this activity is included in the kit. For this one, you'll be receiving 1 bottle of alginate, 1 bottle of calcium chloride, 1 9-ounce plastic cup, 1 4-ounce portion cup, 1 craft stick, 1 eyedropper, 1 plastic spoon. All you need to provide is a little bit of water and food coloring. That's it. So let's get started. You're going to start off by adding about 8 ounces of water to your 9-ounce plastic cup and then about a capful of your calcium chloride. Stir it until it's completely dissolved. Now, pour a small amount of the alginate solution into your 4-ounce portion cup and then add a couple drops of food coloring. Stir the liquids together. Now fill the eyedropper with the colored alginate and hold it directly over the solution of calcium chloride. Gently squeeze the eyedropper so that 1 drop of alginate falls into the cup at a time. Now observe what happens as soon as the alginate hits the calcium chloride solution. When you get about 8 to 10 eggs floating around in your solution, take the spoon and collect them all. You can rinse the eggs in fresh water and explore their texture. Give them a squish, roll them around in your hand. You can even pop one in your mouth and eat it if you would like. Did I mention that you need to rinse it off first? You need to rinse it off first. Now it's time to make the instant worm, and it's nearly the exact same thing as you just did. Instead of using the eyedropper at 1 drop at a time, squeeze the eyedropper so all of its contents will go into the calcium chloride mixture, and see what happens. So how does that work? Well, sodium alginate is actually a natural polymer that can be extracted from brown seaweed or kelp. It's that natural structural polymer that helps build and support the cell wall of those plants. It's that unique, unusual property that gives it its variety of uses. Whenever you take that sodium alginate and you add it to the calcium chloride mixture, something really cool happens. The calcium ions actually replace the sodium ions within the polymer. Now, each calcium ion can hold on and attach to 2 polymer strands. This process is called cross-linking. It's really awesome. The upshot to all of this is those long, loose seaweed molecules surrounding the drop of alginate can now cross-link and form a type of skin around that drop. Now, the inside of that drop remains unlinked because it's not exposed. Therefore, the inside remains nice and squishy. Pretty cool, huh? Use this link to subscribe to your very own home science lab, and follow the links below to see videos on other activities within this series.